In a distant jungle, there lived a mighty mosquito named Tiggerloy. This mosquito harbored a wild plan to steal all the ice on Earth. With its tiny wings, Tiggerloy flew from place to place, swiping ice cream from the hands of children and freezing lakes and rivers. But in this jungle, there also lived the clever twins Delia and Leela. They heard of Tiger's plan and decided to stop it. They put their heads together and brainstormed how to defeat Tiggerloy. One day, as the sun blazed high in the sky, Delia and Layla had a brilliant idea. They built a massive trap using mirrors and sunbeams. When Tiggerloy came to steal the ice from a lake, she was dazzled by the reflected rays. Unable to resist, she shielded her wings from the blinding lights. Seizing the moment, the twins acted swiftly. With a quick grab, Delia and Layla enclosed Tiggerloy in a tiny cage. The mosquito struggled and fluttered, but she couldn't escape. The mirrors continued to reflect sunlight onto her, weakening the mosquito more and more. Eventually, Delia and Layla called for help, and all the jungle animals gathered around. Together, they carried Tiggerloy to a distant place where her evil plans couldn't reach the ice. There, she was set free, and she vowed never to hatch such wicked schemes again. The twins Delia and Layla were celebrated as heroes who had saved the jungle from the greedy mosquito Tiggerloy. The jungle animals continued to enjoy their icy treats, while peace and harmony returned to the wondrous world of the jungle.